You've got to check out our new Trailmax Ultimate Cross Bars. These crossbars have been designed specifically for our electric remote roller shutters, which we have on our website, trailmax.com.au. It mounts directly to the track rails on the side. They are designed so that they are adjustable in height. So once you've mounted your bracket to the side of the roller shutter, you have this adjustment on the side here where you can have a higher or lower arrangement for your crossbars. The crossbars themselves are a really heavy duty extrusion, much heavier duty than anything else in the market in this sort of style or range. They come standard with endpoints on here, stainless steel pins which can be hooked on and ratchet strapped to. So it makes it really easy to chuck a strap over the top of these crossbars and ratchet something straight down without having to worry about looping cables through and those sort of things, or tying off. They have many tie points on them as well. So as I mentioned, the one on the top, they also have behind the bracket here a tie point, so that when your roller shutter's open, you can actually tie stuff down in the back of your tub as well, or hang things from it. It's actually a really easy access point. I use this one all the time. I use one of our Trailmax straps and just loop straight through the back, tie things down in the top. It comes in a pair, so you'll get two of these in a set. The top has a rubber strip to stop things sliding when you fasten things on the top. The strip can also actually just be pulled straight out and removed to access the extrusion in the top, where you can fasten any accessories you want really. So obviously all of the Trailmax range will go straight onto the top of these. Anything that mounts onto our Trailmax roof racks will also mount onto our tub racks or crossbars. So for instance, this one here has a rooftop tent bracket on the top. That will actually also mount on the side of one of our crossbars. So you can actually mount rooftop tents directly onto the top of these as well. This one here has obviously our Max Trax brackets on it as well, as an example of things you can mount to the top of these crossbars. They're really versatile. You can chuck anything on them. They really do add to the capacity or storage of your vehicle when you're touring around. Jump on our website, trailmax.com.au, for further details and get some of these crossbars for your electric roller shutter.